I'll do my best, and we'll do our best to get you all of the information that you're looking for, point you in the right direction if all of this information isn't helping. And so I want to thank you for sitting down, taking the time to learn all of this information about epilepsy, phytocannabinoids, cannabis medicines, and wish you the best of luck if you are a patient family that is going through this horrible ordeal at the moment. There's a lot of support out there. It is a challenge, but the information is there, and there's a lot that can be done as well. And I've seen a lot of incredible transformations as a result of these medicines too. And so do be careful who you speak to, where you go, what you pay money for. Make sure it's all legitimate. Make sure to properly scrutinize and do your due diligence before committing to some of these measures, because there are a lot of dangerous people out there essentially selling products that shouldn't be consumed by humans, and as well selling a lot of false information that probably isn't in your best interest as well.